What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smplbuilds. Today we're going to be getting the Fiesta ST ready for the track, and the first step of that is some adjustable coilovers. The race lines that are in are awesome, but there's no adjustability, and we have some Silvers suspension going in. They sent these out for free, so huge thank you to Silvers suspension. And these things are a great setup for the street and also for the track. We got some 8Ks in the front, 9Ks in the rear, so they're going to be stiffer. I'm going to go a little lower, and all around, hopefully, these will be a better fit for what I'm trying to go for. So let's chuck these in, and then afterwards I'll give you guys a little ride along and see how they feel. Okay.
A little bit bigger than this.
Yeah?
Almost.
Silver suspension is in. We're about to go take it for a test drive, see how it feels. Pretty easy install, pretty straightforward, and they look really good, so I'm excited to see how it feels. I still have to do a lot of adjustments to them, ride height, camber, and dampening, but we're gonna take it out for initial test drive and see how much stiffer it feels. So we are in the car now. Man, this thing feels insane. I've been driving it for a little bit now, and it feels super tight, super sturdy, handles corners so much better, and we're gonna head over to Coilovers. These guys kill it with specialty vehicles, working with alignments and stance, and just anything suspension, for like specialty vehicles. So I'm gonna head over there. So we're gonna go get the alignment done. I'll see you guys at Coilovers. So we're rolling up to Coilovers now. These guys are gonna take care of the Fiesta today with an alignment. Obviously, when you swap suspension, you need to get it aligned, so they're going to get my car running straight, back on the road again. These guys got great taste in cars, super cool bunch of guys here that work here. You guys won't be disappointed if you choose this place for an alignment or any tires or anything specialty that you need done to your car. As far as suspension goes, they do exhaust stuff and other installs. So be sure to hit them up. They do good work, killer guys, and they're going to take care of the Fiesta today. right, so we're done with the alignment. We just got back in the area. We're gonna hit this one road. This is like the only curvy road that I know of in New Jersey. There's literally no good roads around here. But there's one decent little stretch here. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit on how this car can handle. Not gonna go too crazy, but you know, just a little fun curvy road here. It's a little life hack for you guys. If you pass a cop and you don't want it to make eye contact with you, you just gotta pick your nose. And then when you're picking your nose, they'll look over and be like, oh, I don't wanna see that dude picking his nose, that's awkward. And then they'll look away from your car. It's a life hack. Avoid tickets that way. They just need to pave these roads and it'd be so much better. Another life hack, guys, if you put your GPS in, you have a little mini map, just like Forza. It's like playing a racing game. Wow. That is obnoxious. All right, we should be good to go. Here we go. Second. Grips right up. I'm not even pushing it to the limit. There's still more to go. Obviously, if I was on a track, you know, we'd be able to give it 100% beans, but man, that's fun. This thing, like, it grips so well. Oh my God. I'm gonna turn around here. I'm gonna hit that on the way back. That was a lot of fun. So potholes too. Little heel toe. Up over the bridge. Whoa, baby. Just hooks right up. Oh my God. Need to upgrade the brakes. I would have been able to brake a little later there. Is overheating, so I'm gonna take it really nice and slow. Thank you so much to Coilovers suspension for hooking me up with this suspension. This car feels amazing. It feels so good. I'm super excited, and a lot more coming soon. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you